In this video we have listed the top 5 best bike phone mount on existing market. We made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their price, durability, features, customer review and many more things.
Are you new viewers? You should connect with us clicking by subscribe button, then press the bell icon for next updates.
Best of 5. Quad Lock Adjustable Bike Mount Kit. The lightest, strongest and most secure iPhone 8 Plus, 7 Plus bike mount. Patented dual-stage lock ensures phone is held securely to your bike. Quick to attach providing easy access to your apps on the go. Suits stem or handlebars with tube diameter 25 to 40 mm. Includes bike mount, stem and protective iPhone case, weather-resistant poncho and mounting hardware. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 4. Visnfa Bike Phone Mount Anti-Shake. The bike phone mount clamp comes with 4 support corners to ensure your phone stays securely attached to your bike handlebars. Automatic locking cooperate with one-way prevent back gear. Convenient tool-free installation makes it easy mount to any bicycle handlebar. The bicycle phone mount holder for bike works with virtually any phone. 12 months guarantee. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 3. Waterproof touchscreen bike mount. High sensitivity TPU touchscreen, support all touch operation on your phone with bag on. Supports one-hand GPS operation, and hands-free call, very convenient to use. Well-sealed zipper, splash resistance, can keep inside dry and cool in both sun and rain. Easy to attach to your handlebar with a strong Velcro closure strap. Fitting, inner length is 15 cm, inner width is 9 cm, supports 6.0-inch phone. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 2. BOVON 360 degrees rotation bike phone mount. Made of premium silicone, unlike plastic bike phone mount which is really clumsy and easy to break. Super elastic silicone bands can firmly hold all smartphones with screen size from 4.0 to 6.0 inch. Freely adjust your phone to any angle that suits your preference. The innovative silicone belt makes it so easy to attach or detach from any size handlebars. With adjustable band, it fits for any style or size of bicycle, motorcycle, scooter etc. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 1. Rome Universal Premium Bike Phone Mount. Perfect for any bicycle or motorcycle enthusiast. This universal bike phone mount will securely fit almost any cell phone up to 3.5 inches wide. Secure grip and largest clamp. The premium hard plastic material will keep from breaking. Manufacturer lifetime warranty. Check the description for best price and details.